Hi, I wanted to show you all the paper that I have completed. I did some natural dyeing of the paper for the journals, and I did a whole bunch of different ones, and I just wanted to show you all that I have completed. This one here is blueberry. It comes out really, really cool. I would have thought it came out purple, but it actually comes out blue like this. The lines are from the grate in my oven. Did some spots on that one. Some spots on that one. The next we have dandelion. We have blueberry again, which I did different swirls and different spots. And those marks are from the grate where I burnt it a little bit, but I like the look. Then we have the dandelion and blueberry that I did. We have plain coffee dyed paper here. We have blueberry with the spots where I laid the blueberries in between each page, and it did that. You can see it on the back there. Then we have the coffee dyed where I did that grate look from a grate that I have. I just set it on there to dry. Then we have turmeric, which is that spice, and that came out really nice. It's nice and bright yellow. Then we have the coffee dyed paper here with the lace print that I had showed you I've done before. I showed you on one of my videos. That's that. You can see how it left all the imprints. Then we have green tea, which is like lighter than the coffee. You can see the difference. There's the coffee and there's the green tea. Then we have raspberry with an oops in the corner where I burnt it. It came out nice. Raspberry. And then we have a lily, yellow lily here. And those are the lines from my oven. I really like how the edges of the paper come out like that. It makes it look so cool, doesn't it? But those are all I have right here. I have a whole bunch done. That way I can use them in my journals, or I think I'm gonna start putting them on my Etsy. I haven't normally, but I'm thinking about it because I made a bunch this time. So there's all my paper. The blueberry still is my favorite. Any questions, just ask. I'll be happy to answer them in the comments.